What's up, family? Just wanted to come out here and show you all. This is my truck. This is the 2002 Suburban. So what's been happening is this switch right here for the mirrors is not working at all, right? So we're gonna turn the power on so I can show you that nothing happens. So right here, got the switch onto this mirror right here. And as you can see, when I'm doing that, nothing's happening with the mirror at all. See, nothing, not doing anything. So we're gonna change this switch now. I've already taken this up, but I just wanted to show y'all, in order to get this up, you just have to simply lift it up from here and pull it out. All right, so there are these clips right here that actually attach to the underside of this. And then they go into these grooves and everything's held in place. So this is the switch. This is what it looks like underneath. This is the switch for the power windows, and this is the one for the power mirrors, and this is the one that's bad. So I've got to take it out, and we're going to replace it with the new one. This is the new one right here, and you can get these. They're all over the web, eBay, Amazon, just anywhere. I got this one from Amazon, but they're all over the place. I'm going to go ahead and take this out, and we'll be right back as soon as I get it out. All right, so just wanted to say one more thing. When you're taking this out, there's a little clip right in here. Right here, there's a little clip. And you gotta push that clip in. And then this slides right out. All right, this one's a little more tricky. There's clips like in awkward places. So I'm gonna pause the camera for a minute so I can really get down in here and take this out, and then we'll be back when I'm putting it in. All right, so the old one is out, and then this is the new one that I'm gonna put in. All right, so the old one, don't need that no more. So it just basically slides into place. Till you hear that. Then take this part, push that back in place. All right, before I put it back in place, I'm gonna test it, make sure it's working. So we're gonna put the key in, turn the power on, make sure that the mirror is working. And see, it's working. See? Now the mirror works. I'll finish adjusting it later, but just so you all see how easy this is to do. It's working. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all this back together, and then I'll be back. All right, so once you get all this back in place, these are the clips that I told you about that were in here. They actually attach underneath here. If I can twist it and show you, or just bring the camera down close enough to see. They attach right underneath here. If you look really close underneath, you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, so you kind of just got to slide it in place. And once you get this open, you'll see what I'm talking about. There's only one way for it to fit where it's attached to this. So anyways, once you do that, see these little tabs at the top? So those go into the door first. And then you have to make sure this is positioned right, and then pop it into place. And it's done. So that's it. Oh, there's no power. But anyways, that's basically it. And that's how simple the job is. So anyways, stay tuned. There's more stuff coming.